Solid Edge mold tooling. In this video we will demonstrate how to create a slide front and how to include it on a mold tooling project. This particular part has some side details that require the use of a slide. We will create a new part in place in the same folder of the mold tooling project. The first thing we will do is to create an interpart copy of the areas of the plastic part that require a slide. The use of the interpart copy ensures that any change made on the part that affect those areas will also update the slide. After all the faces of the part needed to create the slide are selected, we can validate the command and create the interpart copy. We will now create a protrusion to be the body of the slide front. The protrusion may only close the areas of the part to remove the negative faces, or may also include the complete slide body. Which one is done depends on the type of part and parting line. For this particular case, we will only close the part, as the place where the slide will be created will interfere with the parting line. We will just create the protrusion profile by including some edges of the interpart copy feature. We may now close the sketch. Use the From To option to create the protrusion against the interpart copy surface. Validate the command. Now we will create two planes coincident to the two big faces of the interpart copy. These planes will be used to cut the body so it closes the part correctly. We now need to create the two Boolean cut features to achieve this. The slide front is created, and we may now close the document and return to the top level assembly. We will now include the slide front into the mold tooling project by using the slides command. Select the created body, validate the selection, and finish the command. A new mold tooling object named Splitter1 was added to the mold tooling edge bar, and we may now define the parting line. We enter the parting line command, select the part and press the preview button to automatically calculate the parting line. We may finish the command. Now we will return to the slide document to add the second level of the slide body. The new features must be created after the PRT tool body, a copy surface feature created by mold tooling. We'll create two copy surface features of the two big faces of the interpart copy and stitch both surfaces together. Now we'll create a protrusion for the second level of the slide body. We define a distance for the sketch plane and enter the profile definition environment. The profile is the same as the one used for the first protrusion, so we will just include the same edges. By creating this second protrusion after the copy surface feature created by mold tooling, we ensure that these changes won't touch the part and therefore won't recompute the parting line. Now what we have to do is to close the sketch edges and validate the profile. We may now validate the protrusion And this is the final body for the slide front. We'll now close and return to the top level assembly. And this concludes the slide front creation video demonstration for Solid Edge mold tooling. Thank you for watching. Visit us at www.smmoldtooling.com.